In this question it is given that find the angle between vectors I plus j and I minus j. So if you want to find out the angle between any two vectors, so we'll use a concept that a vector dot b vector is equal to ab cos theta. So what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but the magnitude of a dot b divided by magnitude of a and magnitude of b. So take it as in this question, our a vector is nothing but I plus j and our b vector is nothing but I minus j. So first we can find out what about the value of a vector dot b vector. So a vector dot b vector is, we can write 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1. So we are going to get the answer as nothing but 0. As we are getting the value of a dot b is equal to 0, it indicates that the angle between them is equal to 90 degree, because we know that when two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is equal to 0.